Christians all over America, this is Holy Week. We remember the resurrection of Jesus Christ. So important. But this Easter will be much different than others because in many cases we'll be separated physically only from our churches. We won't be sitting there next to each other, which we'd like to be, and soon we'll be again. But right now we're keeping separation. We're getting rid of the plague. It's a plague on our country like nobody's ever seen. But we're winning the battle, we're winning the war. We'll be back together in churches right next to each other, celebrate, bring the family together like no other. We have a lot to be thankful for. Happy Easter, everybody.